Hi all, I'm Nell, solo parent and hardworking mom. Before you take another step, stop because your feet might be crying to help. You pamper your face, you fix your hair, and even exfoliate your elbows. But your feet, they are developing bunions. They are breathing athlete's foot, and they're screaming for rescue. Outfit are the most overworked, underappreciated, and constantly abused parts of our body. They carry every step of our stress, every kilogram of our weight, and every mile of our dreams. Yet we treat them like second class citizens. Think about it. When was the last time you checked your feet before the heart? When did you last moisturize them, stretch them, or even thank them for walking you through life? We go to salons for manicures, but not for calluses. We buy facial serums, but ignore crack heals. We invest in new clothes but wear the same platen slippers until they scream for mercy. When the pain begins, the bunion swelling, the itch between the toes, suddenly we panic. But by then, our feet have been crying for months. Bunions are the bulging, bony deformity that sneaks up like a thief in the night. It starts with a little soreness near your big toe joint. You shrug it off, then it becomes a bump. Then your shoes no longer fit. Then comes the pain that makes every step feel like walking on glass. What causes it? Tight shoes, high heels, narrow toe boxes, and genetics, yes. Sometimes your mother's feet are your future, but prevention is simple. You just need to stop ignoring the signals. Choose wider shoes. Massage your feet after long walks. Use bunions cushions. Do daily foot stretches. Remember, it's not vanity, it's survival. Because bunions don't just deform your toes, they deform your lifestyle. Now I will address the silent invader, athlete's foot. It's not just for athletes, it's for anyone with damp feet, tight socks, and neglected hygiene. That burning, itchy, peeling skin between your toes, that's your body saying, why did you leave me in sweaty socks all day? The fungus loves dark, moist, and warm places. So if your shoes are always wet, your socks are never changed, or your flip-flops are shared, congratulations. You have built a fungus paradise. Here's your prevention checklist. Wash and dry your feet daily, especially between toes. Change socks twice a day if you sweat a lot. Never share slippers or foot towels. Air out your shoes under the sun. Your feet should smell like freshness, not like a biology experiment gone wrong. We underestimate how much emotional relief comes from physical comfort. When your feet hurt, your mood follows. Pain changes your posture. Posture changes your confidence. And confidence changes your entire day. That's why, when your feet are happy, you walk differently. You walk taller. You walk free. You walk like someone whose life in balance from the ground up. So, yes, self care starts at the bottom. You can't climb the ladder of success if your feet are blistered and broken. Listen carefully. These are red flags your feet are whispering right now. Tightness or tightening in your toes, redness or shiny skin near your big toe, a persistent itch between toes, peeling skin or strange odor, shoes that suddenly feel smaller. If you have any of these, stop blaming your age or your workload. Start treating your feet like VIP guests. Visit a podiatrist, not Google. Replace your shoes, not just the laces. Moisturize your feet every night because prevention is cheaper and less painful than correction. It's never too late to show love to your feet. Even if they're cracked, tired, or swollen, they're waiting for forgiveness. Start today. Soak them in warm water with Epsom salt. Massage them with coconut oil. Sleep with clean cotton socks. Treat yourself to a pedicure not for vanity, but for therapy. Remember, when your feet feel good, your soul follows. Every great journey begins with a single comfortable step. So before you chase beauty, fame, or success, chase comfort, chase wellness. Because you can't run your race if your feet are in pain. So next time you hear that voice saying, keep going, pause and answer back. Stop and say, I will, but first. In the name of feet, I will rest. Healthy feet, happy life because every great story stands on strong foundations. Thank you for subscribing and donating to my channel. Enjoy your day. See you next episode.